morning, everybody. I'm fine, and I hope for you to be fine as by the grace of God. Today, I'm going to start the second text of chapter 7, as I had completed the first story of this chapter. Now, the second story of this chapter, Kurg. Its name is Kurg. I am summarizing this story in my own words, and you students, please, you can read to yourself in detail whole the text. If you read, you will understand and learn its difficult meanings. Kurg lies midway between Mysore and Bangalore. You know, Kurg is a place, this is like heaven on the earth. There are many places which are beautiful in our country. Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmir is the most beautiful place, that is also called the heaven of the earth. You know, Kurg also is a beautiful place. It looks like a piece of heaven on the earth. It is a hilly place of brave men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. There are three types of creatures are found: brave men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. It is abundant of these men, women, and creatures. It is also known by the name of Kodagu. Its one more name is Kodagu. Kurg can be reached from Bangalore, and Mysore by rail, road, and by air. All three means of transports are available to reach in Kurg by rail, road, and by air. Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka. Karnataka is a state in South India, and Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is the home of evergreen forests, spices, and coffee plantations. It is the home. These things are found. These things, which things? Forests, spices, and coffee plantations are found here in abundance. It rains heavily during the monsoon, and the visitors keep away. During the monsoon, it rains very heavily. That can create the situation of flood. So many visitors and tourists keep themselves away. But the months of September to March are very pleasant. These months are very beautiful and full of pleasure. Many visitors and tourists visit there. The air breathes of refreshing coffee. During this time, air becomes very pleasant, and it breathes of refreshing coffee. Because coffee is grown there, the fragrance and smell of coffee is that surrounds all the environment. The Kurg people live a life of complete independence. They like freedom. The people of Kurg like freedom, and they live a life of complete independence. It is believed that they are descended from the Greeks or the Arabs. It is believed that they are the descendants of the Greeks and Arabs. Why? Its reason will come. According to the Greek theory, it is said that a part of the Alexander's army found it impossible to go back and was left here. Alexander the Great, he belonged to Yunnan, Greece, and he brought his big army. It was so big that he could not bring all the soldiers from India to Greece. So one part stayed here. One part of his army remained here. These people married among the locals. These people, which people? The left soldiers of the Alexander's army who stayed here, they married with the women of local area. The marital traditions of Greeks, their marriage and religious rites are quite visible among the Kurg people. Why it is said that they could belong to Greece? It is believed that they belonged to Greece. Why? Because their traditions, marital traditions, and their marriage and religious rituals are quite resemble to the culture of Greece and visible among the Kurg people. This is totally clear when we see the Kurg people. The traditions and culture can be observed clearly. Which culture and tradition? Culture and tradition of Greece and Arabian countries. According to the Arab theory, the kufiya means a long black coat with an embroidered belt. Kufiya is called a long black coat that is embroidered. According to the Arab theory, the kufiya worn by the Kodavas resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs because their जो कहते हैं long coat, long black coat resembles means मिलता जुलता. Their long black coat looks like Arabian coats. The coat worn by the Kodavas resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. So, by their dresses, they can be considered as they are from Arabs. They are Arabs. Kodavas or Kurgis are known for their bravery and hospitality. These people, which people? Kodavas or Kurgi, are known for their bravery. They are very brave people, and they are very advanced in hospitality. Hospitality means mehman nawazi, izzat dena, to respect the guests. This is first peculiarity in their culture that is found. The Kurg regiment of the Indian Army has won many bravery awards. The Kurg regiment of Indian Army have won many bravery awards. General Karyappa, the first chief of the Indian Army, was Kurgi. Notice this. Note this line. General Cariappa, the first chief of the Indian Army, was a Kurgi. He belonged to Kurgi regiment. He established Kurgi regiment in Indian Army. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills or forests of Coorg. The river Kaveri river flows there in Karnataka, obtains its water from the hills and forests of Coorg. The area is rich in wildlife like elephants, kingfishers, squirrels, langurs and parrots. Coorgi area is full of wild animals like elephants, kingfishers, squirrels, langurs and parrots and different types of birds. The most popular adventure sports are rafting. Rafting, we can say, sport of traveling on a raft. Logs of woods tied together and used as boats. लकड़ी के लट्ठों से बनाए गए बेड़े द्वारा यात्रा करना, लकड़ी के लट्ठों के ऊपर बैठ करके ट्रैवलिंग करना, that is called rafting. Canoeing means canoeing here, sport of traveling in a canoe. Sport of traveling in a canoe, a light narrow boat. A light narrow boat is called canoeing. Rappelling, one more sport's name is rappelling. Going down a cliff while attached to a rope. रस्सी पर कस के पकड़ के और उसके ऊपर झूलते हुए नीचे की तरफ जाना, that is also taken as a sport. Rappelling, rock climbing, mountain biking, all these are their popular and their sports which they are fond of. The Nisargadham island is a lovely island beyond the ब्रह्मगिरी हिल्स. ब्रह्मगिरी हिल्स के पास में जो निसर्ग धाम द्वीप है, एक सुंदर ये द्वीप है. एंड द बुद्धिस्ट monks settled here give us a glimpse of the heart and soul of India. Buddhist monks settled here in this area that also show the great spirituality on the side of religion. Nothing is left in Kurgi area geographically and security and religious point of view. From all aspects, this area and the people of this area, Kurgi people, are not less than any other people live in any corner of the country, our country India. So इसलिए Kurgi is famous for their bravery and hospitality, and they are considered to be the migrants of Arabs and Greece. So dear students, मुझे लगता है आपको ये समरी बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ में आई होगी कूर्ग की, और आप लोग इसको डिटेल में भी आप अपने चैप्टर में पढ़ सकते हैं. एंड आई एम सेंडिंग इट्स क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, इट्स पिक आई एम सेंडिंग and you can do, and some objective type questions you can do in your textbook, but comprehensive answers you write in your notebooks. Okay, thank you, and take care of yourself. The condition is going to be worst day by day, so take care of yourself, please, and take care of your elders and youngers. Don't go outside without any work, and do your homework and question answers in time in your notebooks. Okay, thank you, and have a nice day. Okay.